buying this 16104 adjustable height tabletop platform laptop riser from FixtureDisplays. You can find this product by searching 16104 on FixtureDisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions to put this together. The tubes have many adjustable positions, 8 positions to be precise. The bottom of the tubes have nuts embedded, actually on both sides. Then we have 2 long springs to assist with adjustment up and down. To assemble this unit, you want to pick up the base, the smaller of the 2 pieces. And identify the bottom side being the flat side. Now we're going to insert the tube. Realize the distance between the hole to the end. The longer side should face down. That's about 4 or 5 inches, where the other side is only about a couple inches. And you will realize the hole size on the 2 sides of the tube are different. The bottom is bigger and take beefier screw for strength requirements. Now we're going to fasten the screw. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs, that's CharlieSam @FixtureDisplays.com. FixtureDisplays offer many business and consumer products. While you're on our website, we encourage you to browse around. I'm sure you will find many other products you find interesting, and we have a everyday low price policy to make sure you get the best value on your purchases online. Now the top portion of the platform comes with 2 latches that are spring-loaded, and you will observe there are hooks on the flange on the top as well as on the bottom flat piece. Now we're going to slide the top piece into the tube. And now we're going to look at the top brace. You'll see there is a wheel housing where the spring will go through. It's like a simple pulley system. Now we're going to put it on with the pulley housing facing towards you. And then there are 2 screws. You want to position it, but not tighten it yet. If you like our product and services and this video, we can really use a good review, a share in your social media, a quick subscription. You got to see many other new products we put on a weekly basis. Now you want to twist the tube to be perfectly aligned with the spring-loaded latch. Now you see the hook on the flange once again. Once you're happy about the alignment, you can then start fasten the 2 screws. FixtureDisplays manufacture most of the products we sell online. We welcome the challenge to work on your custom program. We don't have a minimum quantity. Certainly when the quantity is low, the price would be higher than making a large quantity because of the setup costs involved. To be allocated in fewer units, But as soon as your quantity come to a reasonable level, you will find our pricing to be very favorable. Now we're going to work on the spring. We're going to hook onto the hook on the top platform, then feed it through the housing, the pulley housing, and then put it down through the hole. And pull it further to reach the very bottom of this adjustable shelf. And then we're going to hook onto the hook on the very bottom. Now with this spring system in place, it helps you balance the weight, making adjusting it up and down far easier than without. Certainly without the springs, you can do that reasonably easy, but this is just much nicer and much more convenient for you. We're going to give you some dimensions of the unit. Left to right on the top platform is right about 24 inches. The front to back on the top is right about 16 inches. The bottom is 16 inches wide and 14 inches deep. Now the overall height is 20 inches. The highest position of the upper platform is 18 inches. The lowest position is 4.3 inches. This entire unit weighs about 10 pounds and is rated for 80 pounds static weight. Now it's meant to hold your laptops, not your potato sacks, but the everyday use of computer equipment is very adequate. As you can see, this sliding system is fairly smooth. And once you have arrived at your desired position, simply lock the latches. Once again, if you like this product and services and this video, you can really use a good review. We're now going to turn it around so you can see all angles of this nicely designed laptop stand-up riser. Once again, thank you for shopping FixtureDisplays.